So from here, now this client has got the malleolus lined up. So to educate the hip flexors and the adductors, hamstrings to all work in unison with a balanced pelvis, we can ask the client to go further into hip flexion, then kick up in knee extension, back down, and go back down and touch, and that would be 1 rep. So have them do about 5. So go ahead and rattle all 4 more there, and back down. All right, wonderful. So there's your update. Some new stuff have been added in, so we can add this in after the lower body work and after the Cranial 1 series. Or we can add this in after the Fundamentals for Wellness series.